The unfortunate results of people hitting you in a parking lot and running off. Pull apart shows to have two cars the exact same color for a replacement bumper. Both with no front bumper. Might as well browse the yard. Beautiful step side. I think this one had something inside. I wonder what they would charge for Moscato. Hasn't been opened. This is a crying shame. Someone out there really took just the heads and left the aluminum block behind to get rained on. Now the sleeves are rusting. 26s. Or X8. Rare to see one in here. Interior isn't that bad. I'm taking the steering wheel with me. MB battles. I'll get the tape and tie straps off. I never saw so much corrosion on a battery. These are the latches I'll put on. There are already two holes for the missing bracket. I put the bolt in the one closer to the headlight and just reused the hole that was there instead of drilling a new one. I dabbed some grease on the bolt to mark where to drill and put tape on the bumper where I'll be drilling. Touching the bumper on the bolt will transfer the grease and give me the mark where to drill. A step-up bit is perfect to get the right size I need for the button part of the latch. It snaps and unsnaps fine. I think it looks better like this than with tape and tie straps. The battery has a lot less corrosion on it now.